Within any of these customers, we also talk with the research and development departments, and they themselves are facing considerable challenges. So they need to ensure that the company's products remain innovative, compliant, and competitive. And they really need, access again to real-time production and sales data. Without that, they can face limited visibility into material consumption. They don't have an ability to address, end-of-life component issues, and it delays their response time when dealing with component shortages, which can has a huge ripple effect down the supply chain. So really providing real-time access to data, across these functional departments can help overcome these challenges and really bring a lot of benefits to manufacturers in a lot of different ways. So for sales teams, this means first and foremost providing an enhanced customer experience. So this could again be through offering more customized product options, or just improving the buying process, as Christian mentioned, offering customers with more self-service options as well. Salespeople can then, provide customers with more accurate delivery estimates. Again, customers can get those real-time order updates. They can be notified proactively of potential delays. And then the sales team and management really benefit from more accurate data-driven forecasting. As talked about with distribution, it's really about aligning production and sales with your supply chain. So you can significantly reduce costs by using your resources more efficiently, creating tighter coordination between suppliers and distributors, and enable a more responsive supply chain, again by having the right people have the right information at the right time.